like you to react to the judgment just delivered.
Well, we have heard the judgment, and for our own part, we came as the Rivers State chapter of the APC to state that the persons who brought the matter to court were not the proper persons. And we asked, because the Rivers State chapter of the APC had already briefed us to withdraw this matter, that he has no consent of the real party members of the Rivers State chapter, on behalf of whom it was purportedly filed. So, but the judge has ruled otherwise, so I already have the instruction of my clients that this matter be tested further on appeal.
Well, from the judgment of the court held that all condition precedents that ought to be fulfilled must be complied with before the elections in Rivers State can be conducted on the 5th of October 2024. And in making this pronouncement, the court held that INEC, that is the first defendant, is bound to ensure that the National Register of Voters that includes Rivers State must be updated, and that same can only be released 90 days before the conduct of the elections. And also very fundamental from the judgment of the court is that the court struck down provisions of the Rivers State Electoral Law, Section 60 of that law that seeks to oust the jurisdiction of the court from depriving aggrieved parties from exercising their constitutional rights before the court. And in respect of all the preliminary objections that were raised, 9 of them in number, the court resolved all in favor of the plaintiff.
Okay, so what does that mean for the layman?
Sorry? Well, the implication of the judgment of the court is that the elections cannot be conducted on the 5th of October except the condition precedents are provided by the Constitution and the Electoral Act is complied with.
Okay. Thank you very much.